सो अगर आपने लाइफस्टाइल की बात की है इसमें ऑफ कोर्स कि यू हैव टू मेक चॉइसेस अबाउट दैट, आपने काफ़ी सारे पॉप कल्चर रेफरेंसेस भी दिए हैं स्पेशली इन द म्यूचुअल फंड्स बुक। तो उसमें मैं एक चीज़ देख रहा था कि आपने दिल चाहता है कि मेंशन किया अबाउट मनी बीइंग, पहले इंडिया में एक ये था कि पैसा इज बैड, पैसा कमाना इज थोड़ा वो चीज़, यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट एथिक्स बट
वो
नॉट
हमारी
मनी।
जनरेशन है ना, हम लोग सोशलिज्म में बड़े हुए हैं।
जी
आप लोग यू आर लकी दैट यू बीन बॉर्न
Exactly.
इन अ इकोनॉमिकली फ्री इंडिया, सो हमारा पॉवर्टी माइंडसेट है अभी भी।
तो मैं उसमें ही सोच रहा था कि आपने दिल चाहता है की बात की है, गली बॉय की बात की है, देयर इज वन मोर मूवी जिसने बहुत सारे लोगों का माइंडसेट चेंज किया है, व्हिच इज जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा।
Okay, I've not seen that one. I should see it. I
Because
should.
my question was actually about
अच्छा,
that.
बता
Because
बताओ।
there is Hrithik Roshan and Katrina Kaif. Hrithik Roshan is about the finance guy who is thinking about retiring at 40 and just working.
Okay.
I'll not take vacations. I'll not
Okay.
do these things. You know, I'll just invest and earn
Retire
so
at
much
40.
and retire at 40. Katrina Kaif is someone who is like कि अभी है लाइफ, अभी खर्च करना है ये सब चीजें।
अच्छा, I should watch that.
Yeah, actually, because I think मुझे फाइनेंस के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपसे मुझे इससे क्वेश्चन पूछना था उस चीज में।
That which is the better option?
Which is the better option? क्या उसके बीच का कुछ एक रास्ता है कि हम दोनों में से कोई एक एवरेज जैसे, क्योंकि इवन इफ यू लिसन टू गाइज इन देयर 30s नाउ, खासकर जो IITs एंड IIM से पास आउट हुए, जो MBAs कर कर आए हैं, जिनकी सैलरी इज वेरी मच, दे आर थिंकिंग अबाउट रिटायरिंग एट 40 कि इसके बाद मैं लाइफ एंजॉय करूंगा, अभी इज लाइक द टाइम टू वर्क। व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन ऑन दैट?
मुझे एन्जॉयमेंट का ना डेफिनेशन कभी समझ नहीं आया कि मैं एन्जॉय करूँगा। एक बार ही पूछा था, somebody said that I want to retire at 40. What will you do? गोवा के बीच पे गिटार। I said एक तो कोई सुनने नहीं आएगा तुम्हारी, ठीक है, you know what? And then after 8 hours in the sun, you don't want to go back the next day. So think through what you mean by enjoying life.
Right.
Okay, so enjoyment without any breaks is work. So what kind of future are you looking at? What are you getting up in the morning for? So when you're working, this whole stress of getting up and going out might be a problem.
Okay.
But the first thing that most people who retire at 58 or 60, they miss the routine. They miss having a purpose in life. No, so if you have a purpose, and I was listening to this podcast of this guy who made an app in the US and he retired at like 28. He used to be super poor and then he retired. And he actually talks that it took him 2 to 3 years to understand what to do with his time. Right. Because you don't know what to do with your day.
When you are not working.
हाँ, क्या कर रहे? नहीं तो if you have a plan that I will do this, how much will you travel? You know, if you have a hobby, what is it? So if you have a plan for that retirement, no problem. Most people have no plan. They just say we will chill. वो chilling मुझे समझ नहीं आया आज तक कि क्या कर लोगे आप, कितना chill कर लोगे?
I think in a lot of जो मुझे मैंने सुना है, it's like not working is chilling. So not going to the office is chilling.
Let me reframe that. Having the money to have the option to not work is financial freedom.
Okay.
Okay, so I understand the emotion behind it, that if I don't like my place of work, if I don't like work, if I don't like what they make me do, I should have the ability to quit. So quit your job, but don't quit working. Like, do something. Right? So that's the difference. So of course you need to be financially free. But rephrase that thought in your mind that I will chill, because you will get bored.
Right,
After a while you will get bored. एक हफ्ता, 2 हफ्ता, 6 महीना, उसके बाद क्या? And then, so of course target your FIRE amount. But I would think that continue doing what you are doing, or pick up something that you thought that you had enjoyed. A hobby, when it becomes something you do every day, becomes work.
Right.
So is work bad? No, I think work is great. I want to finally drop dead while I'm working, okay? I don't need to work. But I can't imagine a life where I'm not doing something. So just differentiate between getting your money together and the job. So jobs can be given up, work cannot.